Hello guys, welcome. Myself Shantanu from Team Stairs. Uh, I'm here in front of you today to discuss about an issue which we all see but seldom think more about. So here it goes. That when we see when we visit the bustling city markets inside in the core of Indian cities, etc., we see that there are very small narrow shops on the roadside selling variety of things, mostly clothes and other utensils, some jewelry shops, etc. And one thing that we observe is that these shops are quite narrow. Like as the roadside space is limited, these shops tend to be narrow, and they when expanding, they expand vertically more often than let's say widening the shop. So this creates a fundamental problem, which we all might have seen some time or the other, that there's a issue going up or down in these shops, like how to change stories. So that's a big issue, and mostly it's solved by putting up a ladder or a creaky staircase, but uh, which is not that safe as one may uh, believe it to be. So we are trying to tackle this problem by providing a robust and space-saving stair. So we at Steam Stairs will try to do the same. So let's move on. So as we know that Indian economy is growing, and it's most likely to see a rapid rally post-COVID times, most probably, and this in turn is going to increase the price of living space, the price of land, etc., price of shops, and this will cause the shops, like the shopkeepers, to turn more towards space-saving options, and also the activity will increase, and hence more people will be visiting the markets, etc. So we believe that this is the right time to introduce this uh, won't say technology, but a solution. So let's get started at how this works. So yeah, as we know that competitors always exist in a market, and they develop if they are not uh, at the initial phase. If they are not present, they will eventually develop. So there's always competition, and likewise, this sector has also started like uh, innovating, and this has caused a lot of foldable stairs or foldable ladders to come up in the market, and one needs to be quite unique in order to capture a larger market share. So main motive is to like uh, save as much space as possible while optimizing for price and user friendliness. Like the user should be quite comfortable using the uh, solution provided by you, as well as it should be cheap. That's the universal truth. Things should be cheap, and the material used for installation uh, and like it's a major concern for the customer, and the way we fix the setup. So we at Stairs have tried to optimize the aforementioned points by providing a parallel folding stair with a unique safety stopper. So parallel folding stairs are not something which are quite new. They have existed, but we have tried to provide a unique stopper to this stair so that it becomes a compact piece, as we will see. So the detailed design goes as follows: that it's a permanent fixture which uses the same amount of material that a normal staircase would use, and we take pride in the fact that our design guarantees your wall doesn't get permanently damaged by any nails or screws. We won't be drilling any holes in the wall, etc., to fix this staircase, and it is achieved by using strong adhesives instead of nails, basically. And we will be using strong adhesives like Araldite and Gorilla Gum, if you know about it, to fix the staircase to the wall and use it. And also the staircase would be single unit, as it has an unique stopper, as I'm going to show you. And there are also grooves provided for each step section, which like makes it part by part replaceable rather than replacing the whole unit. We'll see this. So I'll just show you a small video. Hope you like it. This is the basic design of the staircase. here my friend Himanshu has seen. This is the SolidWorks model basically of the staircase. We have made it using SolidWorks, and this is how the staircase is going to fold. It's basically angled hinges which fold parallel, and this is the unique stopper which I was talking about. So it's fixed at a stair, and it blocks the top let's say side plank from opening up due to the angle constraints. That it's a single degree of freedom, and the plank prohibits that degree of freedom. So yeah, so moving on, we have done the FMEA analysis. FMEA analysis means like the failure modes are basically well thought upon, that how this product may fail, and we have provided this equivalent solution for the same. Like stairs may break near the middle, or the hinge may break, or the sideboard may break, or sometimes the stair may not be able to withstand in that folded position. It may fall off due to gravity, or the side plate attached to the wall may slip. So we have provided solutions regarding the same. You can see it in the link. And this is the cost analysis of the staircase. It has been extensively thought upon. The price of wood, the latest price of wood, which like we are using oak wood. So the latest price of oak wood has been used to calculate, and the area as like wood is being used like in the form of price per kg. So you can check it out. It's provided in the link. So it's nearly 2000 rupees for a 8 section staircase, like 8 staircases for 2000 rupees. So it's quite cheap compared to uh, what many of the people are offering right now. And hence the product is quite cheap and utility packed, and we can expand it's used to modern homes as well. Like after like giving it a kickstart in the Indian markets, we can expand it to homes as well, and it can be used to apply to the places which are rarely accessed by us, or like preventing small children from climbing certain things. So yeah, and we believe that the combined effort of everyone, stairs will find a place in everyone's life. This is the declaration. All the components except the hinge and the screws are made by us using SolidWorks. And the idea of folding stairs already exists, but and it is already being widely used, but the stopper mechanism which we have provided and the reduction of screws is quite unique to this particular design. So yeah, we give due credit to the basic like basic folding abilities of stairs to the people on whose shoulders we stood and designed this. And the cylindrical shafts, we have not used cylindrical shafts, rather hinges, as hinges are easily replaceable. Like once one stair breaks, you can just remove that hinge and replace it with another stair plate rather than changing the whole thing. So thank you guys.